The Russian information war involves more than Ukraine.
That's right. A new study concludes that Russia has been faking its death numbers from COVID. Our ABC 10 News anchor Derek Stahl is going in depth to explain how researchers spotted the clues and what Russia might be trying to accomplish.
In the United States, the number of reported COVID deaths varies quite a bit from day to day. This is what it looks like on a graph with lots of fluctuations. This is what Russia's official death toll looks like. Each day, the numbers are nearly identical and suspiciously low. In the early 1800s, a French mathematician named Poisson discovered that random events like deaths should have a certain amount of variance, and his formula is used in all kinds of forensics today. In a new paper, statisticians used that formula to calculate the likelihood of Russia's official death toll. They found the odds of it being truthful were about 1 in 142,000.
It has to do with Putin's legitimacy as a kind of leader who has everything under control.
UC San Diego communications professor Daniel Hallen says fake data and disinformation are tools that Vladimir Putin has used over and over.
The legitimacy of Putin's rule depends on showing himself to be in control and able to handle any problem on his own. So whenever you have a problem that starts to get out of control, the strategy is to cover that up.
He says that cover-up takes place at the local level. Local officials are threatened with punishment if they report an unflattering situation in hospitals.
So there's big pressure on the local officials to report low COVID numbers.
Some analysts think COVID has put unique pressures on Putin himself. Just look at how physically separated he is from others at meetings.
He was in the bunker for 2 years, right? He was not seeing anyone. He has this circle of people who are just like echo chamber of his own thoughts.
Olga Lazitsky is a PhD student at UCSD from Russia. She says there are plenty of theories circulating that Putin started the war in Ukraine in part because of his self-imposed isolation from COVID.
He's so detached from reality. He doesn't know what's really happening.
During the pandemic, Russia's population shrank last year by the largest amount since the fall of the Soviet Union. So while Putin's motivations are unclear, experts say there could be another strategy, using a foreign war to distract from problems at home. Derek Stahl, ABC 10 News.
That new study says that Russia is not alone in undercounting its COVID death toll. They found signs of it in 16 other countries, primarily those that don't have a functioning democracy or a free press, such as Saudi Arabia, Belarus, and Venezuela.